Jai Srimannarayana, 19th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yayenam vetti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते ॐ The Atma neither slays nor is slain. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a vow to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall remember that I am the Atma, neither slays nor is slain. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma gave anugraham to Prahlada. Then Prahlada, along with his grandson Bali Chakravarti and his parivaram, he did Pradakshina Namaskaram to Vamana and went to Sutala Lokam. After that, Paramatma saying to Sukracharya like this, Brahman Santanu Sishyasya Karma Chidram Vitanvataha. Your disciple Bali, what did he do wrong? Tell me now. If in front of you and me and all these learned people, if we discuss about that, all that dosham, all that wrongness will be totally destroyed. Like that, when Paramatma said, Sukracharya saying like this, Ho Devadeva, Yajneso Yajnapurushaha, Sarvabhavena Pujitaha, you are the one who is enjoyer of all the yajnas. You are the one who is the master of all yajnas. You are the one who is an embodiment of yajna. When you are satisfied in all aspects and respects, there is no way, there is no place that any wrong things can be happened in any yajna. Hey Bhagavan, may there be some wrong things happens in chanting the mantras. May there be something takes wrong when we select the muhurtam, place and objects that are to be used in yajna. Whereas tava nama sankirtanam, tava anusankirtanam, if your divine namam, if your divine name is chanted, then all those doshas, all those mistakes will be totally washed off. That is why Bhagavan, I shall do as you order. If everyone follows your orders, that will be the best for everyone. Like that, Sukracharya prayed Paramatma, and then with the blessings of that Paramatma Vamana, in front of everyone, Sukracharya totally removed all the dosham that is done by Bali Chakravarti. That's Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 19th sloka. Yayenam veti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam ubhautau na vijanito nayam hanti na hanyate. Yayenam veti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam ubhautau na vijanito nayam hanti na hanyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.